So, hey guys, in this section, we'll talk about BSR, which is also known as Bootstrap router, and its function is very much similar to what we have already studied in the previous section, Auto RP. So, basically, it performs two roles like RP candidate is very much similar to candidate RP, and it also uses unicast PIM to advertise itself to BSR. And the second function it does perform is like BSR. It is very much analogous to mapping agent. So in this case, what it does, it advertises its RP information to the other devices or to the other router with multicast PIM packet, and it will be like hope to hope basis. So just remember, in the case of candidate RP, unicast PIM to advertise itself to the BSR, and while in the case of BSR, it advertises multicast PIM to the neighboring router or the devices. You can say hope by hope. And the next function which I'm going to discuss is like see, by default, uh, all the router messages are enabled on the interfaces in the case of auto RP and even on the BSR. So all the interface where PIM is enabled, the router keep exchanging their control plane packet, even in the case of auto RP and even in the case of BSR. And some of the filtering technique which we can use for the security purpose. So like in the case of auto RP, we can always use multicast boundary, which is nothing but multicast ACL. While in talks of BSR, we can always use BSR router for filtering purpose, and even we can change the TTL value as well, which we define as administrative scoping. So by default, the TTL value is 255, which is the maximum, and if we able to change TTL value close to one or two, so we can do filtering based on hope by hope as well. So these are the ways. Either it's up to you, or based on the design, either you can do filtering based on the ACL, or whether you want to go with the uh, changing TTL values. And in the next section, I will be demonstrating how you can configure BSR and what are the challenges may occur.